Hi, this is Wendy from DrawBotanical.com with our newest innovation that we think you're going to love, just like we do. A while ago, not too long ago, somebody showed me this great new Dura-Lar film, and I want to share with you how I use it with my watercolor pencils. Dura-Lar film is a product that you may be aware of that you can use actually for drawing in different medium. It works with color pencils, but we're using it here differently. Here's our package of the Dura-Lar film. We give you 4 sheets. It comes in this little packet, and you get out your watercolor pencils, which we also, by the way, offer with your brushes and your water. And then you take a pencil and you draw right on the film, and then now you've got your watercolor ready to use on your paper. And isn't that convenient? And this film is really convenient. It doesn't take up much space. It certainly doesn't break. And you can just keep reusing it. It dries and you still can re-wet the pigment if there's any left, or just draw right over it and get new pigment. And you can mix your colors right on this film. And that's really convenient to be able to mix, to use it thicker or thinner, so more of a dry brush technique. You can wet it, various ways. And it's very convenient, and doesn't take up space. It's great for travel. It's great for use anywhere. When it's completely messy, you can turn it over, use the other side. You can rinse it and reuse it that way, or you can take out a fresh sheet if you like it really clean. We include 4 sheets in the individual packets. Now I'm just laying out all the different color pencils that I use, not the colored pencils, but the watercolor pencils, so that I've got a few basic colors so that I can pretty much mix whatever I want for doing my botanical art. And so I've laid out some of the colors here, and now I'm going to just show you how I can kind of mix them up and use them a little bit and make some color combinations so that I'm blending and mixing my colors, adding water, and then applying it on my paper. And I can, many ways you can use it, but you don't always want to take your watercolor pencil and draw right on your paper and then add water that way. So this allows you to use your watercolor pencil in a different way, but still preserve the point of the pencil without wetting that. Here I am now working on one of my drawings of a botanical radish, which is the work I do, where I combine using these watercolor pencils with colored pencil. And now you can see I put down a vibrant layer of pink just to intensify the color on my radish. And now I'm laying down some other green, and I'm going to work on my leaf a little bit. So can you see how convenient this is? I love this new technique, and I want to shout out to a really talented artist from Australia, Molly, who taught me this technique a few months back. Give it a try and go to our website if you'd like to purchase this product and others.